So hello friends, welcome again to a new video on HTML topic. So as we know, we guys are doing CSS advanced programming, uh, advanced programming now. So today's program is about CSS Text Shadows. Okay, so this is also an advanced program of HTML CSS. So this is our first program, as you can see in the display. So let's copy this program and let's see what this program says. Okay, come on. So I'm copying this program. Why it's not getting copying? Come on. So I've copied the program, and now I will save this program on Node++, pasting it, saving in my HTML file. This is my HTML file. Saving in name of 1.html as it is our first program. So I've saved this file, and now let's see the output. So where is our file? Here is our file. So as you can see this effect, this is shadow text effect, right? So how did we do that? So let's see how did we do that by comparing. So here is our output and here is our program. So let's see. So we have this very easy, and I think this is very simple also and very interesting also. How did we make the shadow effect? So we have started with HTML tag, then we have started with head tag, then we under style tag we have written h1 the heading, and the heading is text shadows 2 pixels. Okay, this is the size, and then we have closed the style tag, and then we have closed the head tag, then again we have open body tag, and in heading we have written text shadow effect. Okay, right. Then we have closed HTML. So what was the syntax? The syntax was this: text shadow quotation 2 pixels. This was the syntax. Okay, so this is the main thing for running this program. Okay, so let's do some editing and let's check it how this program working. So if I cut this real, this is the important, and this is the important syntax. Okay, so if I cut the syntax, then see what happens. Suppose I've cut this. Okay, wait. So I'll remove this syntax. The entire syntax I've removed. Nothing is there in style. So as usual, I think the program will show nothing. See, it just showed the normal effect, the normal writing which was written like this. There was no shadow effect, right? So this is the difference. Okay, use. So this was HTML text shadow editing. So how to edit a text shadow? Okay, how to make a shadow of the text. So this is our first program. Now let's go to the second program and check it out. So this is our second program, as you can see over here. So I'm copying this program and I will save it in HTML. I mean Notepad. Come on, why it's not copying these days? Okay. So I'm copying this program. Come on. So finally I've copied the program and I will paste this program in Node++. So let me cut this program. These programs are very very small and very easy. Okay, so saving it by 2.html. So I've saved this. Now let's see the output. Where is the output? Where is my folder? So you can see this text shadow effect. It's looking cool. It's really looking cool. So where is the program? Let's compare what's the difference in this shadow effect, right? So only the difference in this shadow effect is under style tag, the code main quotation in place of main, in the place of main quotation we have written only the color red, and that makes all the difference. So if I do some editing over here, in place of red I will write deep red. Okay, what happens? Let's see. Deep red. Okay, and let's cut this and write something else. Suppose if I write my name only, Yusuf. So let me save this and let's refresh this one. What happened? The deep red color has not count. So why? What the mistake had been done? So what is the mistake? There is some mistake. What is the mistake? I'm finding that mistake. So you guys can see that deep red is not working, right? So if I write normal red only, normal red, everything is okay, then why it's not working? Save it. Now it's working. That means if we give a space extra, then it will not work. Really, this is too much. So in place of this space, if I write deep red, then what happens? Let's see. I have written in capital, then again it will not work. So we have written deep red. Give a space. No need of giving space. So now let me see. Work. Why it's not working? Deep red is not actually working. So cutting deep red, writing royal blue. Okay, my favorite color. I have written royal blue. Now let's see. Now if it doesn't, now also it's not working. Achha, very good. So if I write only blue, I've written only blue. Now let's save it. Okay, so as you have seen the difference after trying lots of time, the color has came. Means only simple colors, common colors are coming. Now deep, royal, this type of colors are not coming. So this was what? This was the HTML text shadow effect, right? So we have done 2 programs. Now let's see for the next program we can go. So this is our next program. Now let's check this out program. So I'm copying this program. So I've copied the program. Now let's save this program on Node++. So I'm saving it by 3.html, right? Saving it, opening the file. So here is my file. Now you can see this awesome shadow effect, right? Now how do we do that? Now let's see and check it out. How do we do that? So this is our program and this is our output. So we have used head tag, under head tag style tag, and under style tag we have written h1 means heading 1, and bracket, and under bracket we have written color should be white. The color is white and the text color is white, and the text shadow, the text shadow effect should be 1 pix, and 2 pix black, 2 pix blue, 5 pix dark blue. So this I have written and the color has come like this, right? Now let's make some changes and now let's see what happens. So in first of all, in place of dark blue, I'm gonna write dark red. So I've written dark red and I'm gonna change this 5 pix to 7, this to 5 pix to what? Suppose 30, and now this 2 pix to 5 pix. We'll not do maximum changes, we'll do small changes. Now this 1 pix to 2 pix and this 1 pix to 2 pix. Now we have changed. Now let me change this writing also. Text shadow effect. What la idiotic writing this is. So changing this one and I'm writing my name over here in place of this one. So writing my name, I've written my name. What the hell, writing my name wrong. So I've written the name, and now let's save this and now refresh it. So you can see the difference. The difference is red. I mean, the difference is what? Dark red. But this 330 pixels is blue, for that's why it's looking blue. So in place of this blue, let me write red also. So I've written red. This is black. Okay, everything is okay. Save it. Now you can see the glow of red. Okay, so this is how we make text shadow effect. I hope this is very easy, Pugna, but it's very interesting, right? So guys, only this much for today. I hope you have liked and enjoyed the video. So if you have liked and enjoyed the video, then please do like and share and subscribe our channel. Okay, bye bye and see you soon.